Good afternoon. I'm Mei Yung from the Hong Kong Institute of Value Management. Welcome to join our conference, Value Factory, Value Engineering Knowledge Sharing Conference. Three years ago, we got a project from the Hong Kong government for promoting and extending value management professionals in the countries along Belt and Road regions. Therefore, we arranged a series of value management activities. In 2018, we conducted two value management seminars, invited VM expertise from Malaysia, project managers from Sri Lanka to share about their value management development in their countries. Of course, that is including both barriers and the successful cases. Because there is a different culture along the cities, along the Belt and Road regions. We also invited Dr. Stephen Kurt from American to share about his experience for managing cultural issues in teamwork for value management workshop. In 2019, we conducted an international VM conference. Over 115 participants joined this conference. We invited different international speakers to share their value management development and the barriers and a successful story, including Hong Kong, Western Asia, South Asia, Brunei, Indonesia, Malaysia, Pakistan, Philippines, Sri Lanka, as well as Netherlands from Europe. Although we did a very successful conference at that time. And we also conducted an interactive workshop after the conference. All those international VM speakers stay in with the Hong Kong VM expertise. The interactive workshop entitled In-Depth Dialogues on Value Management Practices in Different Countries. We adopt a systematic VM job plan, information, functions, creative, evaluation, and development phases to identify, to explore the VM practices and the promotions in different countries. We identify 150 functions and stimulate over 300 ideas in the workshop. After the workshop, all the international VM expertise and Hong Kong VM expertise, we establish a network, and we keep to discuss and update our VM knowledge via the WhatsApp for discussion. During the epidemic COVID-19, we also conduct regular monthly virtual mini workshops since May 2020. We adopt a VM systematic approach, information, analyze, creative, evaluation, development, to find out what is the possible way for promoting and extending VM professionals in the Belt and Road regions. We try to keep it progressive, and we find that top 12 ideas through this mini discussion, regular discussion, including share examples. In fact, we did it in the 6th meeting. We invited a VM expertise from United States to share about his VM successful case in their countries. Now, we are going to hold an international conference. Actually, we are progressively implementing what we are planning. And that's why we are joining this conference in here at the moment. Through this conference, hopefully, we could further develop or implement our other proposal, including the VM standard for the Belt and Road countries. We can organize all expertise, including those you are interested in, We welcome everyone to join our group. And we are planning to establish a course certificate for VM, particularly in the Berlin regions. And of course, we hope we can establish a formal VM institute for all those people to join in here. Let's join this valuable value management conference and develop our international VM network. Enjoy it. Thank you.